Hi everyone! Hope you're gonna have a great day. So, katatapos lang ng PSCP seminar for today. It's day 3. Tomorrow ang last day namin. So, ngayon na sana actually nagpayos ako ng phone. Pinapalitan ko yung screen ng iPhone 6s ko. So, buti napalitan siya kasi nasira naman to. Ewan ko ng crack siya dito. But now, okay na siya. Ayos na siya. Then after ko na maayos, punta ako SM, I called up Sir Boy. Then, galing siya dito. Papunta na rin siya dito. So, since gusto kong kumain ng gusto ko sana mag-coffee sa dami, pero walang seats na available. So, dito na ako sa tao. Kaya ko ng race beer. So, yun. Actually, day 3 of my training workshop, nag-prep na kami ng Pugong Public Service Continuity Plan for my agency. So, na-assign kami gumawa ng introduction, policy statements, code, yun na introductions, policy statements, code. Yun yung ginawa namin for today. Then tomorrow will be the presentation and it will be our last day para makomplete yung 32 hours namin. So basically yung the regional director ng Office of the Civil Defense will be the critic of our final output tomorrow, and I hope it will be good. Lahat naman nag-effort na nag-craft ng kanya-kanyang assigned sa chapters ng PSCP. And thank you pala sa mga nag-watch ng video ko and nagsasubscribe sa channel ko. Maraming salamat. I hope you will always watch my video kahit it's always a talking video. I really appreciate that. Maraming salamat. And I hope you will be liking this one naman. Share, like, and comment, and subscribe. Diba? Sana hindi siya makulog. And here, ang tagal lang order ko ng brace beer. Matagal ko makapadaling madaling nilulog. But anyways, yun na. At tomorrow will be the last day of my training and workshop. Then ako pa na 32 hours na required para certificate ka na-train ka for the public service continuity plan. It's a government program and nire-require at the government agency to have a PSCP guidebook para pag kung may mga disruptions, emergencies, hindi mag-over ang work, continue pa rin and alam kung anong gagawin and kung ano process para hindi siya mahamper man ng content but still continue pa rin ang pagbibigay services sa yun yung goal or objectives ng training to create a guidebook for disaster management para hindi makahamper yung public services na sa public policy. Naka-prop na pala kanina na I think naka-prop na namin lahat but bukas pa i-create na original record ng UC. So, I have lots of learning although kahit masakit sa ulo kasi you really need to focus, you really need to think kung ano ang tailored and fitted policy na gagawin na proseso but nag-join ko kasi so I don't have any choice to learn. Well, that will be also part of growing professionally. So kung ano-ano naman pinagsasabi ko dito yung order ko na and I hope makakatulong dito ang vlog na to sa inyo. May mga insights sa buhay ko at sa mga nangyayari sa akin. Hindi kwento. And also this is one part of my training kasi ang aim ko talaga is to be a public speaker at maka-harness ko yung so through vlogging naman pwede siya through vlogging and also maka-harness ko yung the way I speak the way I do so yung learning ko day by day habang na diba? So for those of you who are watching na gusto may public speaker so you can use the vlogging thing para masasanay kang sasalita sa harap. So, this is one way also of evaluating yung pronunciation mo, yung mga way of thinking, way of words na ginagamit. Tapos may bawat mo on self mo, diba? So, it's a good practice. Hi again! So, I'm here sa Dunkin. Favorite Actually, I'm having pineapple juice after nag-chowking. Dumating yung friend na Sir Buboy, so walk and then supposed to be hindi ko alam kung saan ito at sa Dunkin nagtambay. Wala nating iced coffee, that's why I'm having pineapple juice kasi pa-close na kasi nga sa mga until 8 lang. So ang vlog na to is at not take ko 6:30 so hindi na sila na nagtiplata for iced coffee, pineapple na lang and icy choco available.